Hello guys, and welcome to a new crypto video of the most beautiful music instrument there is, the crypto violin. Guys, I hope you have an amazing day. Today I am back with some bullish content I have for you today. So I hope you're ready because we will read some amazing articles. We will talk about why you shouldn't sell XRP and all the other coins too early, and we will listen to some XRP price predictions. I hope you're ready because before we dive into the juicy content, I want to kindly remind you to subscribe to my beautiful crypto violin channel. We are at 9.3k subscribers, so let's go to 10k guys. That would be amazing. And also like if you like content providing, and don't forget to comment if you have questions. We are one big XRP family, and without further ado, let's dive into the juicy and bullish content I have for you today. So this article was from the Daily Hodl, and the article states, Rick Edelman says Bitcoin now a mainstream institutional investment, but massive risk remains. Rick Edelman, the investment icon who has been named the country's top financial advisor by Barron's 3 times over, says the conversations surrounding Bitcoin are doing a 180-degree turn as more institutions invest in the flagship cryptocurrency. On an episode of Salt Talks, Edelman highlights that Bitcoin is beginning to attract financial advisors for 2 big reasons. The upside potential remains very big for Bitcoin, and it is the outsized potential of returns. The stock market makes 10% in a year. Bitcoin routinely moves up and down 10% in a day. And so is the potential for outsized returns. It is the #1 performing asset class of the last 1, 3, 5 and 10-year periods since inception, and many people believe it's still in its infancy. So there's a tremendous opportunity for that. The #1 reason that advisors say they're interested in this is the fact that Bitcoin is uncorrelated. Its price movement have nothing to do with anything else, not with the stock market, the bond market, interest rates, inflation rates, economic policies, Fed action, nothing. If you truly believe in diversification, you want uncorrelated and even better, non-correlated assets in your portfolio. The prominent investor says that as big institutions pile into Bitcoin, a massive legitimization of the leading cryptocurrency will take place. The conversation is shifting from you're conspicuous if you own it to you're conspicuous if you don't. And I think that trend is going to continue even further. Now that you can buy Bitcoin at PayPal and you have MicroStrategy, for example, investing over $500 million, we are clearly in an environment where Bitcoin is now mainstream. And this legitimizes the asset, and there's going to be a continued snowball effect of this where people begin to realize it's routine, just as the gold ETF made gold a routine asset for portfolio diversification. The first 2 weeks that ETF raised $1 billion, so yes, I do believe we will continue to see broad diversification and greater mainstreaming by institutions, endowments, pension funds, insurance companies and so on. Okay guys, this is amazing. Rick Edelman, one of the best financial advisors, is saying Bitcoin has huge upside potential still, and the masses didn't adopt it yet. So there's so much upside potential guys, and this counts so for the whole crypto space guys. The market is still so young guys. We can be the next gold. Bitcoin is the digital gold guys, the diversification of the future, and we are early investors, so I'm proud. This makes me bullish guys, okay? Rick Edelman is America's #1 financial advisor for a reason guys. He is seeing certain things that other people are not seeing. And he's seeing this guys. He is seeing this potential in the crypto space. But you know what guys? We saw it earlier. We saw it way earlier. That's why I'm proud of every single one of you. Let's read another article from Cointelegraph. Early Bitcoin dev misses out on $1.3 billion after selling too soon. I'd be a millionaire if I hadn't sold my 55,000 Bitcoins I mined on my laptop in 2009-2010, way too early. Wow. Marty Malmi, one of the earliest Bitcoin developers and also known as Sirius, has explained what happened to his once massive crypto holdings since 2009. According to a Friday Twitter thread from the former Bitcoin developer, Malmi mined roughly 55,000 coins between 2009 and 2010, where the price was almost zero. Malmi said that he ended up liquidating 5,050 Bitcoin for $5 in October 2009 and losing 30,000 Bitcoins through one of the first Bitcoin exchanges he ran when there was no established exchange rate. I was planning to hold the rest of my Bitcoin, but had to sell the most of it at a bad rate, around $5 in 2012, when finding a new job took longer than expected, said Mommy. Since then I kept my varying amount of savings in Bitcoin. That's not much, but still nice gains over the years. Okay, Martin Mommy tweeted the following. I'd be a billionaire if I hadn't sold 55,000 Bitcoins I mined on my laptop in 2009-2010. Way too early. Mostly before 2012. That is regretful, but then again, with the early Bitcoiners we set in motion something greater than personal gain. No, he's saying this to himself to let him feel better, because as an early Bitcoin adopter you could set this in motion and have this gain. Think about that, guys. But he decided to sell early, guys. Imagine selling 55,000 Bitcoins at the rate of $5. That's crazy. That's really crazy. And seeing Bitcoin at $20,000 would be torturing, guys, okay? And I want you to imagine what this will feel like if you look back and you see XRP at $100, at $1,000, at maybe $10,000, guys. What would you think? When you were holding 1,000 XRP or 10,000 XRP or 50,000 XRP and you decided to sell under $1 or at $2, what would you feel like? Will you be also this guy tweeting this? Or will you be the smart investor who will not buy and sell based on emotion? I want you to be the second, guys. Don't buy or sell based on emotions, guys. Hold tight, we will go to the moon. That being said, let's read another article from the Daily Hodl. This is very interesting, guys, because we always say XRP cannot go to $10,000. It would be a crazy market cap and a market valuation. But guys, let's read this. Binance may soon torch supply of crypto asset BNB and accelerated burn. The global cryptocurrency exchange Binance may soon torch more of its own utility token Binance Coin BNB. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao says he's exploring whether to destroy BNB at a faster rate and reduce the coin's overall supply. This week our team has been discussing the accelerated burn program for BNB. More details to come. Also welcoming any suggestions or bright ideas. The crypto exchange has burned 23,593,399 BNB tokens thus far, putting the exchange at nearly 24% of its coin burning journey. Let's think about this, okay? Binance started with a huge supply, guys, okay? And they're burning the tokens. And what if Ripple, the company, would burn their tokens? Of course, it sounds crazy, but think about this, guys. What if Ripple, the company, sells XRP to financial institutions who will be bound by an agreement that they will not be able to sell those coins anymore? So those XRP will be totally out of the market. Same as being burned, okay? They will only be used for cross-border payments or internal payments or something else. Imagine this. Selling to financial institutions, selling to central banks, it will be only used to transact payments and the companies will not be able to sell them. They will be off market, guys. That will technically be the same as burning them because they will not be available to the open market. But we think, okay, XRP has a max supply of 100 billion. No, it can never go to $10,000. Well, guys, everything can happen in crypto world, okay? Just remember this. And let's look at the XRP USD chart on the 12 hourly and we see here that today we got a small crash and then we really recovered very fast from this. So there are lots of people buying. It will not go to 40, 45, 50 cents, guys. All those people, they want to buy more. So every 1 cent discount they will take, guys. Those prices will not see that very longer. And of course, I hear you think, why would I believe you? You're a crazy bullish guy. Okay, of course, but let's listen to my colleague, Credible Crypto. He is an amazing YouTuber and I want you to give him a follow. Let's listen what he has to say on the XRP price.
Just as unlikely, in my opinion, as the wave 4 hitting 30 cents. So bottom line, I don't think we're going to see 30 cent XRP again. And I do think that the next major area of resistance is going to be this 90 cent to $1 region. And furthermore, as I mentioned, in our past history, once Bitcoin breaks all-time high, alts are quick to follow. I don't necessarily think that we're going to get any major retracements on XRP even after hitting $1. I think that the best opportunity that you're going to get to buy XRP is happening right now. okay? This buy the dip zone, if it gets met, I think is going to be your best chance to load up on XRP one last time for the absolute cheapest prices you can possibly get before we see new all-time high. And if you follow me on Twitter, you'll remember that just a few days ago I posted, if you can buy XRP within 38 cents to 55 cents, it's a blessing, okay?
So guys, this is your last chance before we skyrocket to new all-time highs, okay? You can either believe it or watch at the sideline and see XRP skyrocket, but then please don't cry in our comment sections. So please be warned, let's watch this video.
And why I said that was because while this is the ideal buy the dip zone that logically could be tested, right, without invalidating any rules, okay? While this is the logical buy the dip zone between 38 to 42 cents, that doesn't mean we're going to get it, all right? And we have a major area of cluster of support right here, major cluster of demand, which is why we've bounced off of it right now. There's a chance that this was the bottom at 45 cents. If we manage to get one more leg down with the rest of the market, then this is going to be the dream buy area. But any buys within 38 cents, which is down here, to 55 cents, which is up here, are incredible buys at this time. And I said that when we were maybe up here or something like that. We dipped down to 45 cents. And I mentioned I would be laddering buys all the way down to 38 cents. Hopefully some of you did. Hopefully some of you got filled, because that, in my opinion, is probably the best chance we're going to get, unless we make one more lower low, which at this stage is not guaranteed.
Okay guys, and should I explain something? The amazing buy the dip zone and at 15 cents and at 19 cents, guys, that were the actually zones. Why is everybody waking up when it hit 90 cents and then it comes down to 50 cents and then everybody's like, okay, we need to buy the dip? No guys, you should have bought way earlier. I was buying XRP when it was 16, 17, 18 cents, guys, and it was feeling terrible, guys. My wallet was screaming like, what are you doing? You're crazy. And I'm saying, yes, I am crazy, but I am going to buy XRP. Okay, this is how it was going, but you have to be brave, okay? You have to buy when it's low and sell when it's high. And the price of XRP can go sky high. Let's watch further.
After this happens, after this correction completes, with Bitcoin likely to break 20K and in my opinion continue higher, alts are going to continue higher as well. I think that we may, depending on whether or not this correction is complete, we may push up to $1 or so, maybe clear these highs here at 96 cents. On Coinbase, we've already pushed up to 90 something cents, which is just, and then we saw massive rejection, which is, which makes sense because there's a major area of resistance here. But after we hit that, we maybe get some sideways consolidation, and then I think we erupt for the fifth wave, which I think is going to extend. And who knows, it could take us above all-time high again. 2 months after Bitcoin breaks all-time high, I think there's a good chance that XRP breaks its all-time high, which means we see some rapid acceleration here in the coming weeks and months.
So the coming weeks and months, we will see rapid acceleration, and after Bitcoin has hit his all-time high, which it did, XRP will hit his all-time high and move to new all-time highs, guys. So this content makes me bullish, guys, and don't be the guy that sells too early and cries about selling 50,000 Bitcoins, guys. I am proud of every single one of you guys. I hope you like the content providing. Please subscribe to my beautiful channel. We're at 9.3k subscribers. Let's go to the 10k, guys. And also don't forget to comment in the comment section if you have questions, and like if you like the content providing. I hope you have a great day and see you in the next bullish and juicy video. Have a great day. Bye.